All right, so this is a probability problem that you're gonna involve intersections and union, right? So the problem starts with a certain organization that has a 54% of the employees have a college degree, all right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna call this is the probability of C, which is a college degree, it's gonna be 54%. Well, I can write it down 0.54, all right? And then the next sentence is saying that 36% of the employees have a more than 10 years of experience, all right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this is the probability of T 10 years, all right, equals to 0.36. Now, the next sentence is saying that 30% of the organization's employee both have more than 10 years of experience and college graduate. And I skipped the end because I want to really highlight it. All right. So the and connection here that is in probability is expressed as intersection. So how can I write it down is a probability of college and intersection T. This should be 30%, all right, which is 0.3. And the question right now is asking you, all right, so is asking you what is the probability of randomly selected employees will be either a college graduate or have more than 10 years. And how we express the or in probability, we express it as probability of C union T. So the or is a union, the and is intersection. All right. So our question is, we don't know this. All right. So there is a couple of ways to do this again. So the first method is to use the Venn diagram. All right. And the Venn diagram, you're going to have two circles. They are, all right, these two circles are the college graduate and the tenure people. And every time we start the Venn diagram, we always want to start from the end statement. So we want to start from the middle, all right? And the middle here is going to be 0.3. So if it is 0.3 and this is the circle of the college degree and they are in total 54, so whatever remaining college degree and not tenure, that's going to be the difference, which is 0.54 minus 0.3, and that's going to be 0.24. And similar logic we're going to use with the tenure group. So we have, this is a group of tenure, we have 0.3 of them, they have a college degree, so how many people they have been there for 10 years and don't have a college degree, that will be the difference between 0.36 and 0.3, that's going to be 0.06. Okay, so now what will be the union set for us? And the union set is actually the sum of all the probabilities in here, in between, and that's going to be equals to 0.24 plus 0.3 plus 0.06. And of course I want to use the calculator here, but anyway, so let's go to the calculator. I don't want to risk it, so it's going to be 0.24 plus 0.3 plus 0.06, and this should be 0.6. So your answer is 0.6. So this was the first method, right? The second method is involving a similar property of the counting principle, all right, but is applied to probabilities, and this is the probability of C union T is in fact equals to the probability of C plus the probability of T minus the probability of the intersection C intersect T. All right, and you notice we have this, we have this, we have this, so we can just plug it in. So this is going to be 0.54 plus 0.36 minus 0.3. And again, I would suggest you to use the calculator again. So this is the second method, and you're going to be 0.54 plus 0.36 minus 0.3. And guess what? You're going to be exactly the same answer, 0.6. All right. And here you go. I hope this will help.